If you're trying to trade on MT5 using your Bybit account, you might be confused why your regular Bybit login doesn't work. That's because Bybit uses special MT5 trading accounts with unique credentials. So in order to connect MT5 to Bybit, you need to log in into your Bybit account, of course. Alright, let me try and log in. Alright, pass the captcha. Okay, logging in. Alright, now I'm in. And then you go to the top menu and look for trade and then MetaTrader 5. And then you just go to this interface, you go to trade and you find MetaTrader 5. So for example, you just go to Bybit Trade 5 Training. As you can see, this is powered by MT5. And then you can just press apply now, accept the terms and conditions. And as you can see, you verify your identity. And here you can create an account, and the preferred account types are standard, pro account, and demo. And then choose the leverage, trading currency, and server region. Bybit then will generate for you an MT5 login number, MT5 server name, and you'll get a separate MT5 password. And these are all three details that you will see that you will use on MT5. Then you just go ahead to MT5 and download it, or you can use the web terminal. You can download it for different platforms, as you can see as stated here. Then inside MT5, you click File, Login to Trade Account. For login, enter your MT5 account number from Bybit. For password, use the MT5 password you set. And for server, choose the exact Bybit server shown in your profile. And that's how you connect MT5 to Bybit correctly. If you need any other tutorials on placing trades, setting stop losses or something else, let us know, and thank you for watching.